Do you want to keep your dog safe and seen in the dark? Illumicine's LED dog collar is the solution. These bad boys come in all kinds of great colors and ensure your dog is clearly visible. Their secret is in the two illuminating strips that offer a perfectly bright light, like really, really bright. Which is great because the more visible your four-legged friend is to you and others, the safer they'll be. And you don't need to purchase these, or even these either. All of our collars are USB chargeable, with 4 hours of battery life. You can set the collar on static mode, or choose between 2 different flashing modes. And the easy-to-use buckle makes it incredibly simple to secure it around your dog's neck and go. Go and go! No sleazy gimmicks here. Just a lot of bright colors, happy customers, and adorably safe pups.